They told us we're essential, but we've always known what that means. It means we're the ones you can count on, rain or shine. Because this is the definition of hard work. Freedom is in our blood, and we know these roads like the veins in our weathered hands. They'll show us the way back to the people we love most. The sooner the better. The new RTS system from Tarpstop is a revolutionary auto-tensioning system that brings push-button open and closing functionality to new and existing Fastrak 2 systems, with no loss of storage space. This rear tensioning system introduces one-of-a-kind patented technology that can be retrofitted to your Fastrak Rolling Tarp System, replacing the need for manual tensioning, saving wear and tear on a driver's body, and saving time at every stop you make. Because the faster we move to the next destination, the sooner we get to the last one, home, with more fuel left in the tank to give to what you care about most. This is the new RTS system from Tarpstop.